threading the machine. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Raise the retractable thread guide bar. Place a spool of thread on the left spool pin and secure the spool with the spool holder. Pass the thread through the guide on the thread guide bar from behind. Pass the thread through the right thread guide. Hold the thread with both hands and pass it under the upper thread guide. Pass the thread through the left thread guide. Pull the thread up around the thread guide plate and along the left channel. Slip the thread into the eye of the take-up lever and pull it down along the left channel. Pass the thread through the lower thread guide from the right to the left. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide from the right and draw it to the left firmly. While holding the thread near the spool with your hand, pull the thread up to the left. Be sure that the thread passes through the slit of the needle threader. Cut the thread with the thread cutter. Pull down the needle threader lever as far as it will go. Slowly release the needle threader lever to its original position to pass the thread through the needle eye. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.